Hello, magluto tayo ng chicken afritada. Ayan. And here's the ingredients. We have carrots, tomato, garlic and onion, and bell pepper. And of course, salt and black pepper. Oil, and I have tomato paste and tomato sauce here. And look at our view while cooking. Wow! Diba ang sosyalin?
Nice.
Lunch. Chicken afritada. Tamang luto lang. At andito sa labas ang ating kitchen. At meron pa tayong mountain view. At ayan si Marcos. Naglalakad-lakad sa kanyang hasyenda. Woo! Okay. Ito lang naman mga madamang niluluto ko. Chicken afritada. Tapos, vegetable lang na steam veggie. Hindi na kami nagra-rice. Char.